Presenting a pre-owned 2013 BMW X5 xDrive50i. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 158,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.